Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to turn off 5 grams on Samsung phone in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to turn off 5G on Samsung phones? Offering the fastest possible speeds, 5G provides you with incredible connectivity and an overall improved smartphone experience. However, 5G isn't perfect. Select locations still don't have the best support, and if you're not actively using it, you might be tempted to turn 5G off entirely. To turn off 5G on your Samsung phone, you have to go to Settings and tap Connections. Next, select Mobile Networks. From there, tap Network Mode. Now, select LTE/3G/2G, Auto, LTE/CDMA, or one of the other 4G/LTE options to prevent the phone from using 5G. It's easy to switch it back on whenever you want. How to turn off 5G on Android phones? Android devices also allow you to turn off 5G feature directly from the device itself. To turn off 5G on your Android phone, you have to navigate to Settings. Then tap on SIM cards and mobile data. Then, scroll down to find and click on Preferred Network Type. You can now choose 4G/LTE to switch from 5G option. So, this is all about how to turn off 5 grams on Samsung and Android phones in detailed steps. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.